Nokia 6151 disassembly. You will need the following tools: the SS93, the SS45 camera removal tool, metal tweezers, the dental pick, a flat-bladed screwdriver, the bit holder with a Torx Plus size 6-bit, and a DC plug. Ensure that the windows are covered with protection film. Remove the battery cover. Unscrew both screws in the order shown and discard them. Do not use them again. The 4 clips are located as shown. Pry open the 4 clips with the SS93 as shown. Do not scratch the surface. Open the A cover assembly. Unlock both clips of the key mat. Now it can be removed easily. Cover the window with a protection film. Unlock the 4 metal clips of the C cover plate assembly. Carefully lift up the C cover plate assembly. Note that the flex foil is still connected. Disconnect the flex foil connector. Cover the LCD module with a protection film. Unscrew the 4 screws in the order shown. Carefully open the LCD module flex connector. These snaps must be opened now. Carefully lever open the snaps. Lever up and remove the C cover assembly. Carefully bend open the C cover assembly. Unlock the snaps of the LCD module. Carefully ease out the microphone with the dental pick. Use the soldering jig or the C cover assembly as support to remove the camera module. Remove the camera module with the SS45. Lever out the DC jack with the DC plug. Unlock the clip of the antenna assembly. Carefully lift out the antenna assembly. Lever out the IHF speaker. The gasket must always be renewed when reassemble. Ease out the earpiece with the dental pick. Remove the earpiece with tweezers. The gasket must always be removed when reassemble. The disassembly is now complete.